Hello Food Club Insiders! Today we are making an irresistible dessert, vanilla ice cream with honey. Here's how to make it. Okay, so you'll need 1 liter of whole fat milk as main ingredient. Well, obviously. Pour it into a deep saucepan, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 80 grams of orchid bulb powder in cold milk while stirring so that you don't get lumps of powder swimming in your soon-to-be dessert mixture. Later, turn the heat on and keep stirring the mixture over medium heat. By the time milk starts to boil, you'll realize that the mixture is getting condensed a little. So, it is time to introduce the sweets into our ice cream base. Add 1/2 and 1/4 of a cup of honey in and mix. Then turn off the heat and pour 1/2 cup of heavy cream in, again while stirring. Grab a deep baking sheet and transfer the mixture in it. Keep in mind that this sheet is gonna go into freezer, so use a kitchenware that is made out of suitable material for lower temperatures. And keep away from glass for this purpose. Next thing to do is to refrigerate ice cream mixture for 1 hour. After 1 hour, get it from freezer and by using a potato masher or such tool, start mashing half frozen ice cream, and this helps preventing your ice cream from becoming watery. Then refrigerate the ice cream one last time for 10 hours or until completely frozen at least. After that, you can enjoy your homemade ice cream with a drizzle of some dark chocolate sauce is suggested. Hope you enjoy this delicious treat. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it and comment down below what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.